In the era of explosive growth in drone applications, drone airport safety is facing unprecedented challenges. Even the slightest hidden risk may lead to irreversible consequences. Drone Aerodrome Security Vigilance System, or SA150. The SA150 is fully compatible with DJI Dog 2 and DJI Dog 3. SA150 has detection capability within a diameter range of 12 meters. For intruders, the millimeter wave radar pinpoints targets with millisecond precision, tracking and locking through the focal night vision lens, and instantly activates audio-visual alarms to achieve efficient warning and intelligent deterrence. Countering bird strike threats, SA150 has two modes, i.e. high-frequency bird repelling and night laser bird repelling, which can be automatically turned on when taking off and landing, creating safe takeoff, landing zones for drones. Laser guided warning function at night in the face of emergencies such as intrusion or temporary maintenance. High-precision laser positioning enables rapid calibration of location at the field airport, providing visualized guidance for emergency response, achieving daylight-like clarity even in nighttime environments. The two-way intercom function of SA150 ensures smooth communication between background management personnel and the site.
报告，一切正常。收到，收到。
SA150 supports the power supply of hangars, as well as UPS power supply and wireless communication module to ensure surrounding safety in extreme environments such as power outages and network outages. The cloud platform management system can remotely control the operations of SA150, send all kinds of messages for warning in real time, and save them in the background terminal to generate reports so that the case can be documented.